What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video, and today we're making fluffy slime with a gallon of glue, shaving cream, saline solution, a bowl, and a spoon. So today we're making fluffy slime, so let's get right into it. So first we need to start by adding the glue, and let me go get a color that I want. Okay, so I have a bunch of colors in here, so I'll just go with red color, reddish, orangish color. So put that color in here, and then go. Ow! I stepped on the line. Rah! And then go ahead and mix that color up. It's like I need to make it like super dark because I already have a yellow slime, so I'm just gonna go ahead and keep on mixing to make it like orange. It's orange. Yeah. Okay, so now that's orange, you have to add the shaving cream. You have to add a decent amount of shaving cream so it's fluffy. But after, when you put the saline solution in, it turns into slime. If it's still sticky, you need to add more shaving cream. It's going to turn back into yellow right now, but we could add more food coloring. Shaving cream. To make it look more, like orange. I'm gonna use probably like all of it trying to make it orange. Okay, so there's the fluffiness of it. Now I just add the saline solution. There's actually no recipe for this. Just add the saline solution and start mixing. Don't have to mix at any time or something. Take it off the spoon. Put the spoon like in a dry area. And then it's sticky right now, so just mix it. Just keep on kneading it with your fingers, and it'll like turn into slime. See, it's already like turning into this cool slime. Okay, it's fluffy slime now. It's kind of sad that it turned out yellow. It's supposed to turn out orange. So we need to add more shaving cream. And then just mix it with this. You are actually supposed to put this more shaving cream in the glue. That's why you need to add a lot of shaving cream, so you can make it really good colored. Okay, there's actually the slime. So let me go ahead and set that down right there. But there's more stuff in the bowl. So, it was actually raining a couple minutes ago, so there's any like thunder out there. Just let me know. Take the slime. Let me mix the slime. Okay, so I just made the slime. Here it is right here. Well, this is just the recipe. You don't have to add a lot of stuff. Just a little bit of glue if you want to make it. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications for every time, so you can get a alert on every time I post a new video. Go down in the comments below and comment what your favorite slime is, and I will try to make it with this gallon of glue some of the gallon of glue that we have left. And so, thank you guys for watching this video. It means a lot. And bye.